Nerds! Today, we're going to build an Etch-A-Sketch that you can control from the internet. We're going to be using the streaming site Twitch.tv for you guys to send commands over the chat to control the Etch-A-Sketch. But Thomas, are you just going to move the knobs with your hands when you see a command come in? No! We have written some little code nuggets and gotten some little robot friends to help us turn the knobs for us. So in a way, we're going to teach this 60-year-old product to learn how to use the internet. Oh, Etch-A-Sketch, shaking and erasing for 60 years. Let's open it up. No Wi-Fi needed. It's probably the best joke of this video. This is going to be the most Wi-Fi enabled Etch-A-Sketch in the history of ever. Alright. We don't need that. Come on. Ah! Whoop! Oh, it's way harder without the big knobs. Ooh, I'm going to try to draw a circle. Alright. Oh, this is the most beautiful circle ever. Oh, I just gotta go down. It's beautiful! Okay. Okay. How do we get this off, though? What the heck? Hang on, I gotta Google how to open these. It's glued. Okay, so it looks like we're not going to open the Etch-A-Sketch. There's not really a great way to open it without destroying it. So we're just gonna have to glue on the things that we need. Here's all the electronic giblets that we need. It's a Raspberry Pi and a few stepper motors. Super simple. These little nuggets are gonna snap onto these just like this with some gas line and zip ties, and that's all. In order to build the housing for this device, we have assembled the greatest engineering minds that the planet has to offer. And I am now about to show you the engineering wizardry that was used to create the best possible housing. Nice. I thought it was funny. Also, so much for continuity. If you can't tell, it's like a week later now, and I still have to show you guys how the software works. Don't worry, it's super simple. There's two scripts, picamstream.sh. It's a shell script that just takes the video and puts it on Twitch. And the other one is server.js, and that is what is actually working in the background and taking the commands and turning the knobs. The server just uses PM2. Bam. And the video streaming just uses bash. Bam. That's it. Let's go check it out. I'm going to show you guys over my phone how it's working. And go. Oh. What? So we're going to leave this alone right now and see what people are going to draw. What will the internet draw? Actually, hang on. This might be a terrible idea. Let's put it on Reddit. Look at this chaos. What does that even say? Womp Mart? So I ended up having fun with it too. It took me forever to figure out how to draw this, but finally figured it out. Let me show you how I did it. Montage. It's scratchy, etchy, scratch. And then I just let it sit for days to see what people would draw. I remember watching this guy. He was on point. He drew a castle. I don't know what's going on here. There's like a Master Chief / Ninja Turtle. I challenged everyone to draw the Twitch logo, and someone kind of got it. All the other stuff is just gibberish. This guy was one of the first followers on the Twitch stream. He drew a swirl. And then the logo drawing challenge came back. Yeah, right after the guy drew the swirl, the Twitch logo it took off. Someone crushed it. But most of the drawings that you saw were like the first one. Just complete internet chaos. Hey, internet, you feeling alright? You feeling alright, man? Alright, so that's all. I'm gonna leave a link in the description to where you can find this Twitch stream. I might have it on the NerdStoke main, or I might move it to some other one to make room for some other projects on NerdStoke. If you want to follow and stuff, we're gonna be doing some weird projects. This is kind of just getting our feet wet, so bye!